So we want to take our 4-foot aluminum level and we're going to start working in a fan pattern. And the reason why we do this is that we can then see from a ground level areas that are too high or missing material. As the level goes over it, it will start to pick up areas that have too much and indicate where there's not enough. And then you can slowly start to either pull those materials to you or push them away. But what it does is it ensures that within that 4-foot radius or fan that you've achieved a level area. It also allows you to see from a ground level if things are too high or missing, and you can do your sculpting from a better level than you can from when you're standing above.